Lululemon on the daily chart, series of higher highs and higher lows, currently trading up above this 200 moving average on the daily chart. Looking at this pullback, looking at the history of this chart, finding other pullbacks similar in dollar amount. For example, this pullback right here is very similar in dollar amount to the one we're currently experiencing now. Now, last couple sessions, pretty steep pullback, but I do like this pullback because we're filling up this gap. I went back on the history of this chart. I did find a 3-price relationship. We also have a 382 retracement. It's right around 350 and some change. I like to see Lululemon can use this area as a bounce for more upside. On the hourly chart, price is currently trading below the 200 moving average. What you can do is just be a little bit more patient and wait until price gets back up above this 200 moving average on the hourly chart. The overall markets are getting a deeper pullback continue. Lululemon's likely going to see lower prices. Now, we've gone over this chart many times last year in 2024, September 25th, November 11th. So over here, back in September, we went over this chart, and it was just beginning to recover that 200 moving average on the hourly chart. That's where you got to pay attention when charts start to make a recovery. Now, all this time, they could be making money, but for whatever reason, maybe some publicity in the news, they are getting hammered in the stock price. The overall fundamentals are strong. 2022, 6.2 billion. 2023, 8.1 billion. 2024, 9.6 billion. You can see that nice increasing top line revenue and the company extremely profitable. Not financial advice, just monitor this over the next couple of days. Make sure that price can slowly work its way back above this 200 moving average on the hourly chart. We may settle in here for some time, the sideways pattern. Of course, none of this financial advice. Hi everyone, John here. I recently put together a PDF on Fibonacci trading. You guys can check out the link in the descriptions below. I'll put it in the comments. Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel? We go over setups in cryptocurrencies as well as US equities to help you grow your account. Subscribe now and hit that notification button. We look to hearing from you in the comments area.